Hello everyone, hope you're super well. Here is Pierre from OGarden, and yeah, today I want to make a live, really a kind of thankful live because like since 10 days our brand new campaign on Kicstarter is running. So we did launch the brand new Garden Smart 2019, and so far it's like an amazing success, and we feel like so thankful about that. And yeah, really, like, it's amazing. We are nearly to $560,000 Canadian, so which is like amazing. It's so wonderful, and we still have 20 days left, so we stay on track. And yeah, actually, I just want to share that so many incredible things are happening to us from the last days, and like it's wonderful, and we do have many medias talking about us and sharing the product and the project. And I really want to thank you all these super wonderful people and media. Like, here is kind of the list of almost everyone that have talking to us. So we do have Huffington Post, many media from Quebec, Canada, US, and actually as well many all around the world. It's crazy, like we just found yesterday that we was on a top 5 video, on a video of the top 5 best products at the moment on Czech Republic, so that's crazy. You see someone speaking in a language that I really don't understand nothing about what he's saying, but they're talking about us, and it's just wow. It's like wow, like people like the product, share it, and everything is because of you. So really thank you very much for your support, your pledge if you did one. And yeah, to be here, for us it's very important, because basically we are building the OGarden and making that for people, for improving the life. I want to share with you like the why we do exist. For me that's very important, because it's like the main reason that every morning I go to work. And the reason why we're here, it's the vision behind your garden. It's really about bringing more consciousness for people, for humanity, like to bring life, living life on a house, on every house. And this is, I believe, that very interesting, because we start to take care of the life, and the life will feed us, and it's kind of came back to nature. It's a kind of I can grow my own food and then be more sustainable, have more autonomy in my life. And as well, of course, it's bring a very big positive impact on the environment, because we stop mass agriculture, we don't have any more transportation, storage, packaging of the food. It just grow, and we just harvest and eat. And I do believe that it's more like on the natural way, And actually, like, when I did found the company, like I go back 3 years ago, and I had a vision, and the vision stay here for me. And I've never shared what I'm gonna say to anyone, but today I feel that it's important for me. And the vision is the following: when I was like, okay, if we can grow our own veg in a house, at home, that means that we can replace all the field, the mass agriculture by forest. And what will happen is that if we don't need to make a mass agriculture, we will have forest, and it will reconstruct the soil, the earth. It will bring more oxygen, it will lower the CO2 because of the tree. It will clean the river. So, like, my vision, it's maybe a bit utopic and crazy, but for me, the reason why I'm doing that, and I want that we start to grow our veg in our very, very close environment. It's that because the big vision, the big pictures behind it, it's say, hey, could we have a city in a forest? Could we have like a super huge garden of plants and animals and life everywhere, and just in this super big garden there are some cities, but we don't need any more space for growing our food, because the food is directly in the cities, and it's like I didn't plan to share you that today, but it's like a kind of feeling, like this is our vision here. It's really more than just growing food. It's that because we're growing food, we can change the face of the planet. And this is why we're working for. And again, we are able to bring our little stone in the your little touch on the world because of you, because you're here, and we allow us to you allow us to exist. So thank you very much for that, and it really gives us motivation and power to say yes, let's keep going, let's working super hard, and let's make it happen in a super huge way, So it's really like a thank you, and I really hope that you can understand my vision and feel it, because for me it's really an option, an opportunity to bring to the next generation, to our children, a world that could be so amazingly beautiful, because with the technology we can maybe get a better fit with nature and human, and leave more space on the planet for nature's grow, and that's better for all, So that's it. Thank you very much for everything again, and please share the campaign, share our Kickstarter page to everyone. Let's spread the word together and make the cities grow, for the forest become everywhere. And thank you very much for everything. Bye bye.